Enjoy your visit.
Welcome to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. We're excited you're here. Today, we have something truly special planned.
What you're seeing here is a juvenile plesiosaur. You can already see the long neck and powerful flippers that made their species such efficient marine hunters.
Unlike dinosaurs, plesiosaurs were marine reptiles that evolved specifically for life at sea. Powerful flippers.
Our river exploration team recovered something extraordinary, and today, you're seeing him for the first time. An adult Spinosaurus could reach nearly 15 meters in length, and as you can see, that puts him well beyond the scale of most terrestrial predators.
Unlike most giant theropods, Spinosaurus was built for the water. Long jaws, dense bones, and
that narrow snout isn't an accident. Spinosaurus had a crocodile-like skull, perfectly shaped for grabbing fish in fast-moving water.
The river basin is reinforced with layered concrete barriers and impact-rated viewing glass, designed specific.
The massive sail along its back could rise over 6 feet tall, supported by elongated neural spines from the vertebrae.
Look at the moss hanging from those trees.
It really feels like we're deep in the swamp now.
Are there alligators in the water down there?
If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, make sure to subscribe before you leave.